We really want to bring many different disciplines together. We want to work across the whole of the UK. We want to have a really diverse fellowship. We want to engage with a diverse community, including the patient and public, and we really want to develop the next generation of researchers.
When we think about digital transformation, it's very easy to focus on shiny new pieces of tech or new solutions, whereas the priority for successful transformation really lies around the involvement of the people and an understanding of the process that you're trying to achieve.
Our focus is on recruiting people who are traditionally underrepresented in biomedical research. I like the idea of making medical science work for everyone. I think that's a very compelling vision.
I think involving patient voices and those with lived experience of health conditions in the research process is integral in ensuring the research benefits those who are impacted most.